Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. So today I'm just going to talk a little bit about content and specifically about content optimization. Okay, so a lot of people, when they think about content, they know this term called content marketing, right? And usually what they associate with content marketing is the fact that, okay, we have to create new pages, new articles every day, every week, every month, whatever. So that definitely has a part to play, right? That has its benefits in the ecosystem of content. Now, the other channel, the other part of content that people don't really do too much about, or maybe don't know too much about, is content optimization, right? So how can we look at the content that we already have, the information that we already have, right, to make it better for the users and for the search engines? Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple of examples, a couple of tips here on how to actually go about and actually start to look at making your current content work harder for you. Okay, so for example, number one is look at the type of content that you have on the site and look for anything that's highly similar. Yeah. So for example, if you have 10 pages, right, that are highly similar content, right? So for example, dog food, like 10 pages about dog food. And just over the years, you built this up because of different blog posts, like, top 10 dog foods, like, best dog foods to buy for 2017, etc., etc. What you want to do is we'll try and look at consolidate some of these content, because search engines, of course, they do like content, but if it's too similar, right, then they will only choose one or two to rank. So might as well consolidate the value, right, the authority of these pages into the top 3, so 3 to 5 out of those 10, right, and you start to see a bit of a difference, a positive difference on that note. Second tip, right, is to really look at improving or updating old blog posts. So for example, if you have an evergreen post or a cornerstone post, a post that does not tie to any time or event or occasion, you can actually look to go back to there and then update that time, update that content, right, refresh it, add more words, make it more relevant, right, and the search engines will love that. All right, have a great day. Bye.